We all have heard of people going to space. The first person to reach space was Yuri Gagarin. But before humans were launched into space, it was really necessary to understand and test how the factors of space and the travel can affect a life. Welcome on board to another video. Hope you guys are doing absolutely fantastic. Let's get to know actually how we could go easily to space and who was the real reason for it.
Laika was the first animal in space. She was the first animal to orbit our Earth. Actually, she was a Soviet space dog who was just 3 years old when she was taken from the streets of Moscow in Russia and was launched into the outer space. Actually, she was a stray mongrel who was part husky and part terrier. She was sent to space as an occupant of Soviet spacecraft Sputnik 2 on November 3, 1957, which was approximately 64 years ago. Now, you all should be having a question. Why was Laika sent to space? Why was a dog sent to space by spending a huge amount of money on her? So, the answer is to know how the living creatures get affected in the zero gravity. And also, can human beings survive the journey to space? Because no one ever had gone to space before Laika.
Now, let's see what happened to Laika and the spacecraft. The Soviet scientists actually knew that the journey for Laika is a one-way trip, as there was no mechanism for its return. When Laika was launched to space, at first it seemed that everything was going quite well. But the things changed as soon as error was identified in the R7 sustainer. This component was actually responsible for maintaining the temperature. Laika instantly died in space due to overheating. As soon as this was known to scientists, they feared the rage of people. Due to this, the Soviet scientists did not give the real reason and time of Laika's death until 2002. Rather, they said that Laika died after 6 days due to depletion of oxygen. After a few days, the spacecraft re-entered the Earth and was burnt into pieces in its ways, vanishing the remains of Laika.
This mission sparked a debate across the globe on mistreatment of animals and animal testing to advance science. And the worst part is that scientists could not study much with that little creature's sacrifice. A monument was made and dedicated to Laika on 11th of April 2008. So guys, what do you think about sending an animal to space for some missions or for some scientific tests? Please share your views in the comment section below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification bell for more updates, and also don't forget to follow our Instagram page.